Now, it seems like ages since I've done a video on one of these new generation Discovery 5s. It's just, we can't buy quality cars like this as readily as we would like to. Until now, this is a brilliant value for money car. Discovery R-Dynamic S in Lantau Bronze with a two-tone interior, an opening sunroof, only 10,000 miles on a 71. It is a brilliant buy for someone. I think it looks classy from the exterior with the colour, classy from the interior with the colour combination, that duo-tone interior. This is a wonderful car in a wonderful order, and it also has that brilliant look. It's got a black pack, which is all important, so it retains that sellability from the exterior styling with the black wheels, the black badges, the dynamic grille, the dynamic styling to the car, fixed side steps. It really does look beautiful, and this colour Lantau Bronze for me, it's classy. It'll suit so many different types of customer. But then inside as well, we have that wonderful duo-tone interior, which is ivory and black, sports seats, Pivi Pro interface, the most modern of interfaces to use, and the opening tilt and sliding roof, which is a big option on Discoveries. A lot of these cars have just got the double fixed roofs, so if you look in the back, you'll see we have that, it's a wonderful fixed roof in the back for the third row and second row. But I know the blind's closed, but that's usually what you get, fixed roofs. This one with an opening roof, that's a big feature. Of course, it's a 7-seat vehicle, so we have, I always lose the boot, we always have so much space in these cars. Full 7-size seats, so the headroom in the back is lovely. This car's got air suspension, it's got electric seat fold from the switches. If you look in the back there, you've got them switches with the electric shelf, parcel shelf in place, air suspension and electric seat fold, lovely things. It's electric tailgate. Car's in a wonderful order. I love these Discovery 5s. You'll also see a little nice feature on the black roof rails. Then the wheels, if we go to the front wheel actually here, you'll see the design of the wheels lovely, but they are finished in gloss black, and with the dynamic, you've got the painted wheel arches, painted bottom sections to the doors, the mirror casings, everything's in gloss black, so lovely two-toneness to the car with that dynamic grille, the badges, and this new lighting system. The digital LEDs, the LED headlights, it's a fabulous car. Then let's not forget the actual capabilities of this car's driving. So it's a D250, 250 horsepower, 3-litre diesel. So it's quick, it's fuel efficient, you get a great driving position, but then there's so much technology in these cars nowadays. From the electric seats, we then move on to the inside. We have a full switchable digital interface behind the steering wheel. That is not standard in a Discovery anymore. A lot of these cars will just have analog clocks. This car has the digital interface, which I think is all important. On the steering wheel, we've got lane departure, cruise control, and then all your settings for the screen here and your phone and voice activation. If I start this car up, it is keyless entry, it is keyless start. We then have Pivi Pro, which I'll show you. It's massive touchscreen, I think it's 11.4 inch. But we've got the reverse camera, the top view camera, the 3D surround view camera. I'll show you it this way. It's wonderful. And it offers you so much, this camera system, in a Defender, in the new Discovery, in the new Range Rover Sport, the new Range Rover. That is the interface you get. Phone applications, DAB radio, then all these four-wheel drive settings, of course, but it also has wireless smartphone interface and wireless smartphone capabilities, which is brilliant. So if you jump in this car with your phone, it's going to connect up. You can use your Spotify, your Apple Me, your Apple CarPlay, your WhatsApp, your emails, all through voice control. It's a brilliant thing. Then the interface down here, so easy to use, digital climate control. Push it, we've got the heated front seats, we've got the short shift gearbox, air suspension, and we've got the different driving modes switchable through here. Sunroofs, I'm going to show you this rear sunroof as well while I'm in the car. If you look in the back now, you'll see third row and second row have got that wonderful glass roof as well in the back. And then if you look in the back of these seats as well, we've actually got connectors for USB to add rear media if you so wish. Everything's been thought of by Land Rover in this generation car. Only 10,000 miles, still under Land Rover warranty and breakdown assistance for a period of time, being a 71. This is a brilliant buy for a new shape Discovery 5. On the website now, my name's Richard. I'd love to speak to you, so give me a call or WhatsApp on my number on the screen. Thanks for watching.